Hi guys, please subscribe my channel to know more about technical courses. Also click on bell icon to get the notifications. Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about object-oriented concepts and principles. To begin with, first let me explain what is object-oriented programming. It's a paradigm that defines structure for the software system in terms of objects. So now let us know what is object. Object basically it refers to the real world entity which is going to have two features associated with it, that is state and behavior. How can I define a state for the object? To explain this, let me consider a simple example, that is dog. Okay, dog has got many features associated with it, in which have taken only three features, basically the name of the dog, the breed to which it belongs to, and the color of the dog. So these features uniquely they are going to identify a dog, and these in programming we are going to refer these features as attributes of the dog. Similarly, how can I represent the behavior of the dog? For example, these are nothing but the operations that are being performed by the dog. For example, dog eats, dog sleeps, dog barks. These are the operations that are being performed by the dog, and these are referred as methods in object-oriented programming. State and behavior. So state is basically represented by attributes. The behavior is being represented by the methods or the operations. These together will constitute an object. So now I need someone who can give me a structure to have the structure defined for the objects. So to whom I have to take the help now? So it is nothing but a class. Before we start constructing the house, we will usually come up with a blueprint for our house, so that we will get to know where exactly the placement of each room that it is going to have within the house. Similarly, an object should have a template which is priorly being defined in order to give the structure for the software. So it is nothing but here the class is the template or the blueprint that is going to define the structure for the objects. So in the forthcoming session we are going to learn about basic class modeling using the UML notations. Before that, let us just clearly have an insight into the principles of object-oriented programming. To begin with, the first one is encapsulation. What do you mean by encapsulation? It is nothing but wrapping up the data and the behavior together into a single component called class. So when I wrap up these data and behavior, what did I achieve by doing so? It is nothing but I am going to make users from unauthorized access as well as modification of the data. The next principle is abstraction. As name itself indicates, I am going to give the abstract view of the software by hiding the implementation details of the system. So by hiding the implementation details, user will be exposed to just relevant information that is being needed by the user instead of bothering about how the functionalities of the software is being implemented. The third one is inheritance. As the name itself indicates here is that we get to know about the parent and the child classes over here. When I create a parent class, I am going to define the common attributes within the parent class, and from that class I am going to create the child classes, which helps me in avoiding rewriting the code which is common to both of them, that is parent as well as child classes, thereby providing me the reusability of the code. The last one is polymorphism. Poly here refers to many, morphism refers to many forms. So this principle basically indicates that different objects of different classes, how they respond to the same methods, and this is being exhibited in two ways. One is method overloading and another one is method overriding. These two concepts will be explained in the next forthcoming session. Thank you.